Hey friends, Adam here from Bantha Overland. Now you might have recently seen one of the new things that we made and put in our shop, and it is the Starlink Mini Camping and Travel Kit. And so it contains a few of our favorite things that we like to travel with our Starlink Mini that we think makes it really easy to use when you're traveling, parking, at camp, you know, in the middle of nowhere, hopefully, somewhere cool. And it is the Starlink Mini pole adapter. So this goes in the Starlink Mini's pole adapter that comes with it to give it a tripod thread so you can get that Starlink Mini off the ground, get it a clear view of the sky, and keep it protected when you're at camp so you don't step on it, your dog doesn't step on it, your kids don't step on it. It also includes a cable wrap, so this is for wrapping the Starlink Mini's power cord to keep it organized at camp. It's nice and thin and doesn't take up too much space. And then the kit also includes cable caps for the Starlink Mini's cables. So that's just to keep them clean and well organized and you know, make sure that they're ready to go and not covered in mud. So those have been very popular and people have loved getting those together in our kit, which is available at a bit of a discount. And one request we have had though is that as much as people love orange, and I love orange, that's a lot of orange, right? It's my favorite color to print in. It's easy to find, it's high visibility, but I know some people really like black, and so today we are announcing our limited edition dark mode Starlink Mini Kit. And so, surprise, you can get the tripod adapter, you can get the cable wrap, and you can get the cable caps as a kit in black. And so, be available for a limited time. And we hope that for those of you that have a particularly colored rig and want to stick with that color, that this helps you to get out there with your Starlink Mini, but keep everything looking good too. So that's it for now. If you're interested in checking it out, you can go to shop.banthaoverland.com, and I hope to see you out there soon. Bye.